Recently, I came across an interesting channel called Lovely Kittens AI, and to be honest, I was amazed when I first looked at it. The channel was created just a few months ago, yet in less than 4 months, they managed to attract over 403,000 subscribers, and that too with just 101 videos. If you take a closer look at the channel, you'll see that they're not doing anything complicated. Their videos are short, funny stories with animal characters created using artificial intelligence. The interesting thing is that the stories usually have a clever and unexpected twist at the end. Something simple, but very effective. The combination of a funny idea, a touching story, and high-quality images has allowed this channel to collect over 40 million views. Many of their videos have hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. This means we're not just dealing with a fluke, but a real and growing trend. Even their new videos are still doing well despite the passage of time. Some of them have received over 100,000 views. So if you're looking for a profitable YouTube Shorts idea that doesn't take up too much of your time, this content model could really be a good option. And, well, as you can see, this channel is fully monetized, so there's nothing stopping you from trying this route. Well, now it's time to move on to one of the most useful and free tools for content creation, EaseUS AI website. This site really has amazing features, and most importantly, it's completely free. Yes, you read that right. Unlike many AI tools that charge you a monthly fee, here you can use the best AI models without paying a single cent. For example, Meta Llama 3.3 Claude, 3 Haiku GPT, 4.0 Mini DeepSeek AI, and many other powerful models, all ready to help you write text, generate ideas, generate scripts, or even create stories and scenarios. When you have a free tool of this level of quality at your disposal, why pay $20 or more per month for similar tools? This means you can do the exact same things, or even better, without paying extra. This site is a smart choice for content creators, YouTubers, writers, and even those just looking for a quick writing help. In the next section, I'll show you how to use this site to turn a raw idea into a full-fledged video in less than a few minutes. Now it's time to enter the AI chat section of EaseUS AI. Here you just need to enter the prompt or command you want. For example, what did I write? Make me 15 prompts like this channel so I can make videos. And for more accuracy, I also uploaded a screenshot of the channel page so that the AI can better understand the style and content of the desired content. After that, I chose the DeepSeek Vi 3 model because it really prepares everything with high speed and accuracy. But the important thing is that you are completely free to use any model you want, including Meta Llama 3.3, Claude 3, Haiku GPT 4.0 Mini DeepSeek V3 DeepSeek R1, Gemini 2.0, Flash, Gemma 327B. All of these models are available for free without the need to pay any subscription or additional costs. Without exaggeration, this is one of the best free AI sites I have ever seen. It is fast, powerful, and the quality of its outputs is truly professional. I have also included the link to this site in the video description so that you can test it yourself and benefit from its amazing features. And this is just a small part of the features of the EaseUS AI site. This site has different and diverse sections, each of which works with advanced artificial intelligence models. I will mention a few of the most important ones: AI Chat for chatting with powerful models such as GPT 4.0 and Llama 3, AI PDF and Chat Doc for analyzing and summarizing files, AI Writer for producing content, articles, scripts, and AI Study for students and students, AI Tools for converting speech to text, rewriting, summarizing, and AI Photo for photo editing, and Ghibli Image. And the golden tip, all of this is completely free. Site link in the description. Now it's time to create engaging images with AI. Log in to Leonardo AI. At this point, enter all the prompts you prepared earlier one by one. Each prompt will give you exactly the image that suits your video. Cartoon animals, action scenes, fantasy spaces, emotional moments, or any other theme in your story. It only takes a few seconds to prepare the image, and you can download them in high quality and insert them into your video or project. Now go back to AI Chat. This time you are going to create a complete video script for your videos. Go to AI Chat and enter a simple command. It's time for professional voiceover. Log into 11 Labs, one of the best and most popular sites for creating natural and realistic voices with artificial intelligence. And boom! Your professional speaker's voice is ready Ikoya on completely natural, with the tone of your choice. You can even choose a female or male voice, a calm or excited tone. 11 Labs allows you to make your videos sound completely professional and attractive, without the need for manual recording or a microphone. Complete video tutorial with CapCut plus inspiration from Mr. Beast for YouTube. If you are also looking to create an amazing video and start breaking out on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram with it, this video is exactly for you. Now we are going to create a video together step by step, from scratch, with CapCut. And then, inspired by Mr. Beast, I will tell you how your content can be special and successful. Step 1. Prepare the files. First of all, prepare your photos. Try to have high-quality photos because with them, you are going to create the main attraction. Then prepare the audio. If you recorded your own voice, that's great. If you used a speaker's voice, make sure that its quality is good, clear, and understandable. Now enter the CapCut program and create a new project. Import your photos one by one into the timeline. Shorten the display time of each photo. Don't let each image stay on the screen for too long, as it can tire the audience. Usually 2 to 3 seconds is good. Step 2. Add audio. Now bring the speaker's voice to the timeline. Listen carefully. Cut and delete any long pauses or silences. Remember, rhythm is the most important thing. Be sure to check the synchronization of the audio and video. Make sure that when you talk about an image, the same image is on the screen. Step 3. Animation and effects. CapCut is full of cool animations for images to enter and exit, for zooming or rotating. Try to use a different animation for each image to maintain variety and interest. Next, add visual effects. For example, lighting, camera shake, fantasy, or cinematic effects. But don't overdo it. The goal is to grab attention, not confuse the audience. Step 4. Subtitles. Now it's time to add subtitles. CapCut has speech recognition. You can automatically generate subtitles and just edit them. Subtitles help people who watch videos without sound to communicate, so don't remove them. You can also adjust the color and font of the subtitles to match the overall style of the video. Step 5. Adjust the audio and background music. If you want to add background music, be sure to lower the volume so that it doesn't interfere with the speaker's voice. A soft, motivational, or cinematic soundtrack, depending on the type of content you have, can make a big difference. The final step? Export your video in high quality, like 1080p or even 4K if possible. Now it's time to upload it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever platform you like. If you have done all the steps correctly, be sure that 1 million views is not far from your reach. Inspiration from Mr. Beast, how to become a great YouTuber. Now let's talk about motivation. Do you know why Mr. Beast became so successful? Because he understood that people are looking for something real and special. He spends weeks on each video, plans with his team, writes scripts, spends a lot of money just to produce different content. See, Mr. Beast wasn't looking for views, he was looking for impact. He was looking to give the audience something that wasn't repetitive. If you want to be successful, you have to follow the same path. First, be different. Second, really think about the audience. Third, work with quality even if your initial views are low. Fourth, never give up. Mr. Beast also started from scratch, and for a long time, no one knew him. But because he didn't stop, today he has become one of the symbols of success on YouTube. And here's an important sentence to remind you. To be successful, just an idea is not enough. You have to execute it in a way that no one else can. Conclusion: you can be the next Mr. Beast. If you've been with me this far, it means there's something in you that's hungry for success. And the good news is, you can too. You don't need to have a lot of money or fancy equipment. You just need to start. Keep going and be better than before each time. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like it and be sure to subscribe because in the next episode, I'm going to reveal another secret behind the scenes of the success of great YouTubers. Stay tuned.
Early life and passion for the oceans. Amy Mord was captivated by the mysteries of the ocean from a young age. Growing up near the coast, she spent countless hours exploring tide pools and observing the array of marine life that thrived in her local waters. This early fascination with the underwater realm would eventually blossom into a lifelong pursuit of scientific discovery and environmental advocacy. Mord's educational journey and research achievements. After completing her undergraduate studies in marine biology, Mord received her PhD from a prestigious university, where she focused her research on the impact of climate change on coral reef ecosystems. Her innovative approach and meticulous data collection soon caught the attention of the scientific community, and she quickly established herself as a rising star in the field. One of Maude's most significant research advances came when he and his team developed a groundbreaking technique for monitoring the health of coral reefs using advanced imaging technology. This approach not only provided a more comprehensive understanding of the challenges facing these vital underwater habitats, but also enabled the implementation of more effective conservation strategies. Amy Maude's story is one of passion, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to preserving our marine ecosystems. Her pioneering spirit and unwavering dedication have not only advanced our scientific knowledge, but have also inspired the global ocean conservation movement. As we look to the future, it is clear that pioneers like Amy Maude will play a vital role in shaping the fate of our blue planet.